Welcome to the northern French Alps in Le Planet, just near Floss. This week's video, what I'm going to show you today is how to take your skins off while still keeping your skis on. So stay tuned. Welcome back everybody. For everyone who's seen the videos before, welcome back. And for the people that this is a new video and you haven't seen me before, welcome, a warm welcome from the Northern Alps, just outside Floss, Le Planet. Here we are, and it's snowing heavily. 27 centimeters we had yesterday, and you can see it's still falling nice and hard. Now, in this week's video, what I want to share with you is a technique that will really speed up your transitions in ski touring. It's how to take off your skins whilst having your skis on. So stay tuned.
Hello from the sunny, snowy today.
So number one, you need to find a safe area and just sort of break down the snow, and you just want to, conditions like these, just get the snow off as much as you can. Once you've done that, what you need to do is you actually need to put your ski boots into ski mode. So clip them up. Number two, the next stage is actually to put the bindings into downhill mode. Now it's really a lot easier on a tech binding to do this. If you find great value of this video, please give a thumbs up and press that subscribe button, as it really helps to grow the channel. So here I am in the snow, and what I do, okay, is I pick up this ski. And there's my ski already, and I just pull it out. That's one. Now the tip is to pick up the downhill ski. Then I pick on this one. Okay, stretch, I go for the two, and then I stretch the leg out and put it out like that. Fold up the skis, and then just on the quick, for safety, quick way, they're folded up. And then what I do is I put them in underneath my jacket. Do my belt up. And I'm ready to go. If you like videos like these, you will like my video that I made last week, which is actually tips for success on your first ski tour, which you can see, and also 3 biggest mistakes when putting skins on. Now it's time for the fun bit. I need bigger skis today. My 90s are just not on top. So I'll give you a tip. If you find that your skis are sinking in the snow, all you need to do is bring your weight slightly back onto your heels, and then that will bring the skis up in the powder. So just a really slight adjustment. Can you see that? Skis are coming up. It's just so good to ski to your own home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.